Today I'm going to show you how to solve the right side of the Rubik's Cube and almost solve it. So first you get the white cross like this and get the white cross like this, and these parts have green, orange, blue, and red. You have to match them up with their what's it? Hold on, I have to find centerpieces like I did here. See? Then find a corner piece that doesn't have yellow on it, like this one. It has red here, so I twist it to the red like this. I twist it like that. I put this one down. Then I make it come back. Then I twist it back up. Now, if it's right here, you twist it down. You twist this like this. Nope, it's hard to show. So it's like that and that. Then you twist it back up to remake the cross, and it's back. And it has orange on it, so I twist it to here. Now it's near the orange. Then again, boop, 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 and boop. Now I'm going to pause this and get it so that you guys know what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. And the white side should be solved if you complete that part. And the parts that we lined up with their centerpiece should be like this. See, green, red, blue, and orange. Now you see this blue here, and the blue thing is here. You twist the cross down like this. Then you twist it like this. See? Then you bring it back up. And then now you have this. You twist it here, you twist this back, and you twist it again and back. Now you should know that, so I'm going to pause it and do it, and when I come back, I'll show you what it's supposed to look. Okay, if you completed that like T part, you should have the right side solved and almost solved the rest. Now, I don't know the rest of the steps, so I'm just going to leave it there. When I know the rest of the steps and I know how to solve this and I have it in my memory, I am going to make the next video. So yeah, remember to share, subscribe, and like, and comment. And let's see if I can make a part 2. And as always, thanks for watching.